this reservoir before. This is a beautiful ride up here, especially in the fall. But anyway, the reason I wanted to talk to you guys was I was, just kind of reflect on 2020. I know everybody's probably got their own opinions on that, and I guess I'm going to share mine right now. Yeah, it was a crazy year. Definitely was a crazy year. We started out pretty normal, and then it just kind of turned into a crap show, I guess, from there. So we're just all just trying to survive it. I did have a few people that were close to me get ill, but luckily nobody really even showed any terrible symptoms. Some people didn't even know they had it till they went to the doctor for something else and got tested while they were there, and they said, "Oh yeah, you have it." So anyway, so that's turned out good, as far as on my end. Just people so far just no real serious illnesses, and it's just been a crazy year. I know a lot of people lost their jobs, and luckily my wife and myself are deemed essential workers. She worked basically full-time through the whole thing, although she is working from home now, and it looks like that might be a permanent thing. And as far as my job, there for a few months we had our hours cut just because work got so slow. But we were still making money, and it was all good. We didn't really feel any serious financial struggles there. It wasn't easy, having my hours cut and everything like that, but we're back to full-time now. We're running wide open. We've got tons of work in our futures as far as the company goes, so it looks like we're going to be pretty stable. I mean, we're back running wide open, so it's as far as economically as in this neck of the woods, and in the businesses that I'm in, it seems to have come to an end as far as the economic grind. I know a lot of the restaurants and places like that are still having a lot of trouble, and a lot of the service industry people. I do know some people that are in that, and they're still struggling pretty bad, and it's definitely a bad thing as far as that goes. But we'll all get through it. This country's faced tough times before, and I'm sure we'll face them again in the future. And as long as everybody just sticks together and works their way through it, it'll all be good. And I know as far as recreation stuff up here this year, I heard that Yellowstone had the biggest August they've ever had. And I don't know if you've seen the videos of where I went to Cody with the Indian Motorcycle Riders Group, but I'll throw a tab up at the end of the video. You guys can go check those videos out if you haven't seen them. We went through Yellowstone on our way to Cody and on our way home, but that place was busy. One thing that was missing was the tour buses, but I think a lot of people were still on vacation even without the tour buses. I think they rented cars or just drove there themselves. But like I said earlier, Yellowstone had the biggest August they've ever had, so that was pretty interesting. And I know the wife and I tried to go on a camping trip. It was around middle August, I think. 1st of September. It was 1st of September. That's what it was. And usually the places we went, there's hardly anybody there, and it was so crowded and everything that we ended up just coming home. There was just so many people out camping. Not that that's a bad thing. I know everybody's trying to get out and get away, just like we were. but it was just so crowded. And like I said, the camp spots that I usually go to are so remote that nobody's ever there. And the one camp spot that we drove to that we were going to spend 3 or 4 days at, we got there and there was like, it was full. There was no place to even camp. And I've been up there that same weekend just a few years ago, and we stayed up there 4 days and never saw a soul. So it's just really weird. I know the RV industry is just booming and selling everything they can get. And I guess everybody's just running to nature so that they can social distance, since there's no, you know, no nightlife, no movies, none of that other stuff. So, which is, you know, which is good. It's good. I'm glad everybody's able to get out and do stuff like that, and really get out and enjoy themselves, just like, you know, I've been lucky enough to do my whole life. So just hope everybody respects the nature, because, you know, when people start disrespecting that stuff, they start closing it down, and then we won't have anything. We'll all be stuck in our houses. Another thing I wanted to talk about 2020 was all the other craziness that's been going on, as far as, you know, all the unrest. It's been up in the Northwest, and actually pretty much all over the country. Just a lot of the bad stuff happening in some of these cities. This is terrible. It's terrible to see these people that are, you know, either trapped in these areas and can't get out, or they're losing their businesses, or, you know, for, you know, just basically just a bunch of silliness. I just don't understand what these people are trying to prove by doing this kind of thing. They're definitely not, you know, helping themselves or helping their cause in any way by doing the things that they're doing. So at least that's my point of view. I know everybody's got an opinion, you know, just like everybody's got whatever part of the anatomy you want to throw in there. But you know, it's just crazy, all the craziness that's going on. And, you know, one thing that's cool about the United States, you know, that a lot of other countries don't have, and, you know, and I think that we're lucky to have, we have a lot of the freedoms that we can go out and we can ride our motorcycles, or we can go camping and go fishing, go do a lot of things that really just aren't available to a lot of other people. You know, and it's something I think we really need to hold on to, and, you know, really kind of cherish. I'd hate to see all that just go away because of, you know, some weird policy change. You know, like I said, I've seen where they've locked up hundreds of thousands of acres of land and made it so you can't go there anymore. And, you know, and I could, you know, they could do that with a lot of things. It'd really be a bad deal for that to happen. And, you know, one thing that's cool about us here in the United States, no matter which side of the political aisle you're on, you know, there's no reason to get all freaked out and have, you know, I don't think anyway, and have you know, just all the crazy stuff that's going on right now. You know, every 4 years we're allowed to go to that ballot box and hit the reset button if we don't like what's going on. You know, and I think, personally, I think that's what happened 4 years ago. A lot of people didn't like what was going on, and they went to the ballot box, and they pretty much told every politician out there, hey, we don't like what's going on. We're going to hit this reset button right now. So, you know, we got that opportunity coming up here in the next few weeks, I'm thinking. I'm not sure when this video is going to go out, but I'm pretty sure it'll go out before the election. So, you know, no matter which way you vote, I know which way I'm going to vote. But you know, that's my vote. You have your vote. So, you know, go out there and exercise that. If you want to hit that reset button, hit it. If you like the way things are, keep her cruising. So anyway, that's just my thoughts on that. And you know, it's really, really nice that we can go out and enjoy these kind of, these kind of things that we do. I see that California's passed a mandate that they will no longer allow the sale of gasoline-powered vehicles as of 2035. So, you think about it. It's 15 years away. I'll be an old man by then. Probably won't care. But there's a lot of gearheads out there still that are a lot younger than me, and it'd be a sad day to see that come. Electric cars are coming a long way, and that's just and that's a good thing too. But the electricity got to come from somewhere. I don't know if you ever saw my video about the windmills and stuff around my town, but nothing's for free, man. Electricity don't come from nothing. Whatever, it just don't come out of the plug in your wall. So it's all got to come from somewhere. Anyway, but the only thing I worry about there is if they do decide they're gonna push that mandate and pass it through. They got 15 years to change their mind. But how long until they pass a mandate saying that they won't sell repair parts for a gasoline-powered vehicle? Then where are you at? Pretty much just legislates you right out of ever having one, because if you can't fix them, you can't drive them. If they break down, they're just scrap. So you have to be careful with that. People in California need to push that reset button too if they don't like that. But if they do like it, well, then that's the popular vote. Then I guess that's the way things are going to be. Anyway, just cruising one of my favorite little twisty roads along our Alpine Lake up here, checking out all the fall colors. I just ask you guys, I'm gonna put up a new playlist, and I'm gonna kind of start a new series here called Shut Up and Ride. And after you listen to me jammer on here for 15 minutes or however long I've been talking, that's probably what you want me to do too. So anyway, I'm going to start that new playlist. Going to start putting some videos up, and we'll have that in the title. And what it'll be is maybe a little music in the background, maybe just the sound of the motorcycle, I don't know. And so if you guys just want to watch some riding videos, then make sure you click on that playlist, go check those out. Anyway, I do appreciate you coming along, listening to me flap my gums about what I thought about 2020. And let's just hope that 2021 is a better year, and we can get out and do some more riding. Even though 2021 didn't stop me very much. I put almost 7,000 miles on the bike this summer, so I got out and did a little riding this year. But like I said, I do appreciate you coming along, and you guys just take care. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. And I'm just going to cruise around here and enjoy some more fall colors. So you guys take care, stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.